Hi, today we are going to learn simple interest, easy methods to solve, 5 seconds to solve, useful for all placement drive, bank, RRB, SSC, CAT, ZAT and other competitive exams. Let's move on to the first question. A sum under simple interest becomes rupees 15,600 in 2 years and rupees 21,000 in 5 years. Calculate the principal. How to do this? We can use a formula method. SI equal to PNR by 100. Simple interest for 2 years where N equal to 2. So amount what we have got in 2 years which has principal plus interest. So P plus 2PR by 100. In PNR by 100 just I have substituted N equal to 2. So 2PR by 100 you will get 15,600. Simple interest for 5 years. N equal to 5 years. A5 equal to P plus 5PR by 100 which is equal to 21,000. So once you subtract this you will get 3PR by 100 equal to 5,400. And once you solve this you will get the answer as 12,000. But how to do this same question without a formula? How can we use a logical method to solve this question? A sum under simple interest becomes 15,600 in 2 years and 21,000 in 5 years. Calculate the principal. So first you subtract the years. What is the years given? 5 years and 2 years. So 5 years minus 2 years is nothing but 3 years. Next subtract the amount. What is the amount given here? 21,000 and 15,600. So 21,000 minus 15,600 is nothing but 5,400. Now this difference divide by this difference. This is nothing but difference. Okay, difference between this is the difference. This is difference in amount. This is difference in years. Now divide difference divided by difference. That is 5,400 divided by 3. What you will get is 1,800. This 1,800 is the interest for 1 year. Okay. Now what you have to understand is 15,600 has principal as well as 2 years interest. When 1 year interest is 1,800, 2 years interest will be 3,600. So 15,600 minus 3,600 is 12,000. Simple logical method. Once you practice this for many questions, it will easily come. Shall I go to the next question? P borrowed a sum of money from Q at simple interest. The rate of interest is 10% per annum for the first 2 years and 12% per annum for the next 3 years and 15% per annum for beyond 5 years. If P paid rupees 17,200 as interest after 7 years, find the sum. How to do this? Take 10% as 0.1. So SI for the first 2 years equal to PNR by 100. That PNR by 100, 10% just I have taken as 0.1. I no need to worry about the denominator 100. So PNR, so 2 into P into 0.1. That is 0.2P. So 12% I should take it as 0.12. So SI for the next 3 years is 3 into P into 0.12. That is 0.36. So the question is given beyond 5 years it is 15%. Already 5 years over, right? Now the interest for after 7 years. That means the balance 2 years. 7 years, already 5 years tenure is over. So SI for the next 2 years because total tenure is 7 years, already 5 years over. Now hereafter the interest will be 15%, right? What is 15%? 0.15. So 2 into P into 0.15, that is 0.3P. So just you add all the numbers on the right hand side, 0.2P plus 0.36P plus 0.3P. That will be 0.86P. That is nothing but 17,200. So 86 times 2 is 72. So you can write this as 0.86 or you can even write this as 86 by 100. So once you solve this, you will get the answer as 20,000. Shall we go to the next question? A certain sum becomes 2 times itself at simple interest in 4 years. In how many years does it become 5 times itself? Now just imagine the sum as 100 rupees. Just I have invested 100 rupees. It has become 2 times. 100 has become 2 times. That is 100 has become 200. For 100 has become 200 in a span of 4 years. That means to get an interest of 100, I have to wait for 4 years. So what you have to understand here is simple interest is arithmetic progression. This question can be done without a formula. Just you can do like number series itself. Arithmetic progression, difference is same every year. Okay, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 100 to 200, what is the interest? 100 rupees. To get the interest of 100 rupees, I have to wait for 4 years. So interest is same every year. 200 has become 300 in another 4 years. 300 has become 400 in another 4 years. 400 has become 500 in another 4 years. So what is the total time? So here 4, here 4, here 4, here 4, here 4. So how many times 4? 4 times 4. That my answer is 16 years. Okay. Now when you observe here, this 500 is 5 times 100. The question is In how many years does it become 5 times? So we have to stop with 500 because initial amount I have taken 100. When it becomes 500, it has become 5 times itself. Shall we go to the next question? Shall we see 2 more models to build your confidence? A certain sum becomes 3 times itself at simple interest in 6 years. In how many years does it become 7 times itself? So what we know, simple interest is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, what we know, difference is same every year. Let me take the initial amount as 100. 100 has become 300. 100 has become 300. So what is the interest I have gained? 200. So 200, to get the interest of 200, I have to wait for how many years? 6 years. So interest will be same every year in simple interest. So 100 to 300, 300 to 500, 500 to 700, because this interest is same every year. Here is an interest of 200 rupees, here is an interest of 200 rupees, here is an interest of 200 rupees. But to get an interest of 200 rupees, there is a tenure or a span of 6 years. So here 6 years, here 6 years, here 6 years. 6 plus 6 plus 6, total 18 years. Simple, very simple. Shall we do the last question? You want to try? Okay, I'll just wait for a couple of seconds. I hope you can do this question. A certain sum becomes 4 times itself at simple interest in 8 years. So 100 has become 400 in a span of 8 years. So remember this, arithmetic progression. Simple interest is arithmetic progression. So 100 has become 400 in 8 years. What is 400 minus 100? 300. So 300 is my interest amount. To get 300, I have to wait for 8 years. So another 300, another 8 years. Another 300, another 8 years. The question is, how many years it will become 10 times itself? You got the answer? Very good. Brilliant. Extraordinary. Okay. 100 has become 400. 400 has become 700. 700 has become 1000. So here there is a tenure of 8 years. Another 8 years. Another 8 years. So 3 8 years are involved. So my answer is 24 years. I hope you are enjoying this video. So let's go to the last question of this session. A sum of money yields an integral which is 2/5 of the principal in 5 years. What is the rate of simple interest per annum? This particular video we are just discussing only about simple interest. In the next video we will be just dealing with some shortcuts in compound interest. Okay. What we know, simple interest equal to 2p by 5. What is 2p by 5 into 100? 40%. That means 40% interest in 5 years. So what we know, interest is same every year. Okay, in simple interest is same every year. In 5 years 40%. That means in 1 year this 40 by 5. What is 40 divided by 5? 8%. So interest for 1 year will be 8%. Since it is simple interest, it is so easy. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly do remember to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.